right, thank you for checking out this video by InvestoOfCrypto.com, and this is Darren. And in this video, we're gonna go over one good trading strategy that can help you with protecting your investment during a bear market, and that is staking. And then I'm going over this article real quick. Now, this article does cover it's advertising for a platform called Duple, which which I'm not advertising in this video, and I'm just basically going over one of the crucial things that I feel that people need to know about, especially when they new, is going in is staking is staking crypto, because during a bear market is so easy during a bear market it's so easy to lose money. It's so easy to get sidetracked by the red and bloody numbers that you see right on coin market cap, or if you look on look on the website. You see that you see the website, you look at the crypto market, you see that it's just all red. All those numbers are just mostly red, and that is scary. It's scary to see your investments, just all of a sudden taking a dip like that. But there are ways to protecting your money during this time, and one of those ways to protect your assets and your money is through doing staking. Now, if you want to see this article, this is July 12th. This article you can't find on the website. All you got to do is go to InvestoOfCrypto.com. If you're looking at this video on July 12th, when the video is going to be posted, you can go ahead and check out this article by going to Coin Markets, going to latest articles, and it will come up right here. All you got to do is scroll down, and then you will find it right here. I can't know how I don't know how far it's that, but it's pretty far down there. But yeah, but this is one thing I wanted to go over in this article. This speaks some truth regarding staking, and why should you use it as like why should you do it. But I'm gonna basically read some part of this article, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm doing, show you a little bit into what cryptos I'm staking and getting into during this time. Um, all right, so under normal circumstances, it's harder to make money during a bear market than in a bull run. Unless one wants to explore derivatives and leverage trading, that situation is a bit different. Um, in the cryptocurrency world, the current market conditions are an excellent time to explore staking opportunities for one's crypto assets. Bear markets are an opportunity contrary bear markets are an opportunity. Contrary to what most people may assume, but to be true, assume to be true, there are always money-making opportunities during specific trends. Making money in a bull market is relatively straightforward, yet a bear market is very difficult. Most people most people see these to trends to dollar cost average investments, which is more vi- more which is a more than which is a more than valuable strategy. Bringing down the overall cost of the investment leaves more room for future profits, which is true. Um, in the crypto world, bear markets is an opportunity to make money like any other. Negative returns are never fun to deal with, yet it doesn't necessarily equal lower volumes. And that is true, because just because the crypto currency that you're currently looking at, just because it's showing red and bloody numbers, it doesn't mean that the cryptocurrency is bad. It just means that right now, because a lot of cryptos, they depend on Bitcoin and Ethereum to hold their value, because if Bitcoin falls, everything falls. So, and that's one thing that's one thing that is definitely true in this market, because Bitcoin is the towering giant right now, still is, and it's always and it's about and it's I would say its supremacy over the market is pretty much it's pretty much shows, because if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. So we just need to understand that Just because that you're investing in something like Cardano, maybe VeChain or something like that, and it's going down, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad coin. You see, actually, some of these coins, if you look at their trading view charts, they're still some of them are still having high buys, but the coin just red right now. But watch when it goes up, you're gonna be profiting a lot. But moving on, crypto assets are by far more liquid than other financial vehicles. Even when prices are down, experienced cryptocurrency traders use the bear market to their advantage. Depending on one's personal risk tolerance, the bear market lets you. See, that's what keyword what they said. Depending on one's personal risk tolerance. Basically, how much money are you willing to lose during this time? Because this is your see anybody not and this is why I tell every new person who is getting into crypto, only invest what you're willing to lose. It's not hard. It's not hard to say that any clearer, because most people when they get into crypto, especially recently when the market was a huge bull run, everybody see I saw people sitting there trying to throw their whole last dollar towards Bitcoin, and then as soon as it dipped, now they want to get out. Like a friend, a friend of my brother's, he got into crypto and he put, I want to say probably like a good two, three, $400, and he knew he was not willing to lose that much. However, the market went down, and now he's like, oh yeah, I want to get out. Yeah, I want to get out. No, you might as well ride. You might as well ride that wave right now, partner, because and just look at other cryptos to invest in. Um, and that's the best way to do it. You got to ride that wave out. Now let's see what the article is talking about. It says to bargain hunt. One is bargain hunting. That's one thing that the bear market lets you do. Bargain hunting to acquire, establish, or new cryptocurrencies at a much lower price for speculative purposes. Buying defensively, such as dollar cost averaging. Keep accumulating as things may eventually turn around, or explore staking options. All right, and it said, and that latter options may seem strange. Um, it's as its return will also be worth less than during the bear market. While it is true, while it is true, the initial investment cost to reach the staking threshold for certain cryptocurrencies will also be lower, and is valuable, and it will be lower. Let me start over. Uh, Let me start from the comma. The initial investment cost to reach the staking threshold for certain currencies will also be lower. It is a viable option for those willing to take a medium risk. So now I'm not going to continue on with the rest of it because the rest of this is going over Drupal and Duple, whatever it is, and just basically telling you how good it is. Like I said, I haven't researched on this platform yet. That's why I'm not going to talking about it because I'm not advertising this platform. But the most part, everything that it was saying is true. When you want to protect your investments during a bear market, the first thing that you do is you don't panic. That's why when you get into crypto, if you're putting money in, let's say somehow you got into crypto, and let's say you put 5,000 but you made 50,000. When you see that thing, do you see that you made your investment back? Take your $5,000 out. I can't stress it to people more. I've seen people, what they do is they come in the crypto market, they put $5,000, $10,000 in, but then they love it. They love it when they see the market all high, and they're making like 50, 60, $70,000. But one thing they forget to take their initial $10,000 back, because that's what you want to do. You don't want to get into you don't want to feel like a loser after you After you sat there, you saw your money got this 50, $60,000 after you put 10,000 in there, and now you see the thing going down. Now you are less than $10,000. Now you pulling out less than $10,000 out because you forgot to take your $10,000 initially before, but while the market was up. But that's one thing you want to do. You want to make sure that you're going in with a plan. You can't just go into the crypto market and think that you're just gonna throw money in there and just make money. That's not how it works. That's what a lot of people are doing, and that's why they keep losing money. But one good thing to do. Let's go back um to the website, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look at the investments that that we are currently in. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at it like this, because these are the coins that we're staking in, that we currently are in, and also coins that we're staking. Now, right now, this is where you have to be smart, because yes, we do have Bitcoin that's sitting at $32,000, Ethereum who's sitting at $2,000, and you got Binance Coin who's basically recovering right now, making a good recovery, and then you got Cardano and all the rest of them. But then the one thing you want to do, since the market is bear, the minute that I saw, and this is one thing that I did when I saw that the crypto market was starting to fall back just back in May. The first thing that I did, I took all my money out of Binance Coin and Ethereum and the stuff like that, and I threw it into my staking coins. You know, like Cardano. You could stake Polkadot. You can stake VeChain. You can stake Polygon. And Polygon is I'm still trying to learn how to get that on my ledger, but I'm figuring that out. You stake Solana, and then you just keep staking, and also Apollo, which I'm also staking, but that one keeps falling. But the fact that and also I do have one. I had to update this list. I have another one that I'm investing in called GSX, which that ICO is over with. So I need to update this page. I'm not investing in no ICOs at the moment, but yeah, there's another one called GSX, which that one's another good coin that also you stake. You can stake as well. So right now I'm staking all of these because the thing is, I know that Bitcoin doesn't stake. I can't stake Bitcoin. I can't stake Ethereum. Well, I can't stake Ethereum. I couldn't stake Ethereum before. Now I can, because Ethereum 2.0 allows you to stake. But yeah, so I'm staking Cardano, Polkadot, VeChain. Um, I'm working on Polygon. I'm staking Solana, and I'm staking Apollo. So, and the reason why I'm staking these, because the thing is, you have to know how to protect your investments. Because let's say, yes, the market is down. Yes, when I got into Cardano, it was like at I think I got in Cardano when it was at 50 cents. But the fact is that yes, I saw what happened to it when it got all the way to $2. When it got to $2, then I said, you know what, maybe I don't, because I got to $1, I started and took some of my investments out and threw it into Binance Coin and Ethereum and things like that. So then the minute that heard about China backing out, the first thing I did was I took everything out of Binance Coin, Ethereum. Now I don't know. This is just my way of doing it. I'm just telling you how I did it. I took everything out of these two, and also out of Bitcoin, and I threw it into all my staking coins. So everything that I'm staking, I'm just I just took all my investments out of all the coins that does not stake and throw it into the staking coins. Because let's say if you got $10,000 into Cardano, I think Cardano gives let's say for example, Cardano gave uh, um, a 10% staking yield on it per year. So if you took 10,000, put $10,000 on it, let's say for example, Cardano does a 10% payout. All right, so let's say I got $10,000 in it. And so far, that means I'm making roughly almost $800 a month because at $10,000, no, not $800, $800 a year, sorry. At $1,200, at $12,000, I'm making $1,000 a year because you gotta account for it. There's 12 months. So the fact that when you're staking that money, staking that coin, that's at 10%, you have $10,000 in there. The fact that it went from let's say Cardano was at $10, at $10 you probably be at $10 at 10, if Cardano was $10 is at $10 and you put 10 and you put 10,000 into it or 12,000, let's say, for example. Every month you'll be getting paid. You'll be getting paid out $100 every month just from staking. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but let's say this. Let's say, but that's better than losing money. Now you're earning money during the bear market because yes, you can put your money in Bitcoin and wait for it to go back up. But then, let's say if it doesn't go back up, you're not making no money holding Bitcoin. But yet, while you're sitting there holding Cardano, Polkadot, VeChain, while you're just holding on to it, or Polygon, or Solana, you're making money. You're earning income just by sitting there and just you're earning income during a bear market. So that's what I did. Some people put their money into stable coins like Binance USD or something like that, or they put them into something where they could earn some interest on it every year, or something like that. Like BlockFi, use BlockFi. But staking is one of the best strategies for protecting your crypto. In my opinion, it's one of my favorite strategies because I love sitting there watching every like 10 days or every like you know 30 days, all of a sudden I'm getting a payout from my coins. Yes, even though if you get let's say $60 back a month from Cardano, that's still a good deal because look what's happening. Let's look at this. You get 60. Let's say you get $60 back from Cardano, another $60 from Polkadot, another $60 from VeChain, another $100, $80 from Polygon, and another $100 from Solana. That's almost $600 that you're making a month, and you didn't have and all that's passive, and you're making $500 a month in a bear market. What better way? What better way to ride out a bear market than to be making 500 extra dollars a month? And so what if it goes down? If it goes down to 450 or something, $400, just throw another $100 in there, throw another like $50, $60 in there, it's still going to continue to stake more coin for you because you're not losing anything. You're gaining money over time. And then let's say if that market goes back in a bull run again, that let's say that 10,000 Cardano that you purchased with that $10,000 you put in, it may go that $1.31 may go to $5. And look what happened. You just made and during that time, let's say during this bear market, you staked over 5,000. Now you got 15,000. You got 15,000 Cardano. Now if Cardano does decide to go to $10, let's say if it does go to $10, then look at it. You just made $50,000, $55,000, and you're still staking Cardano. Hey, just do the math there. You're staking. You just made $50,000. Theoretically, this could happen. Cardano can just fall back flat on his face like XRP and just go back to 50 cent or whatever. But um, but yeah, just think about it. But you're staking it and you're still earning money over time. So, but that's just one thing I just wanted to go over is staking. I'm sorry I didn't take no charts out or anything in this video, and I do apologize for not streaming for not doing a video for the past I want to say 2 weeks. I had a project at work But I am trying to get more consistent with it. Um, but just please forgive me. In the next video, I might go over um how to invest in a particular crypto. I'm trying to come up with a good way to show you guys how I do it. Um, in a structured way. Like the unstruck, I do mine in different. I follow many different strategies, but I'm so unconventional. I don't have like a solid strategy. I you know, just do what what many other people do, which is just look at the numbers, then read articles, and just do little research on Google and things like that. But I'm going to show you what I do in the next video. Um, and until then, have a great rest of your day. And please, if you love the video, please subscribe and like the video. I thank you for all you guys who are taking the time to look at this. Please, if you want to talk with myself or talk with the or join the Telegram group, the links are in the description below. If you wish to start your crypto journey today, you could get $10 of crypto by depositing your first $100. Um, if deposit by investing your first $100 of crypto using Gemini and Coinbase, the links are also in the link below. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. All right, peace.